Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on a journey to a land where every corner is a splash of color, a burst of culture, and an explosion of life. Welcome to India, a true kaleidoscope of colors and cultures. Imagine standing before the majestic Taj Mahal, an architectural marvel that tells a love story etched in white marble. Its beauty is a testament to the artistic prowess and rich history that India holds. But there's so much more to this incredible country than just its monuments. Picture the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas stretching towards the heavens, offering breathtaking views and thrilling adventures. Or the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, where the golden sands meet the azure waters, creating a paradise for beach lovers. And then, there are the lush tea gardens of Darjeeling, where the aroma of fresh tea leaves mingles with the crisp mountain air, providing a serene escape. Meanwhile, the tranquil backwaters of Kerala offer a peaceful retreat, with their winding waterways and traditional houseboats. Don't forget the vast deserts of Rajasthan, where the golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a landscape that's both harsh and beautiful in its simplicity. India's cultural richness is equally mesmerizing. Festivals like Diwali and Holi turn the streets into a riot of colors and traditions, celebrating the triumph of light over darkness and the joy of togetherness. The vibrant markets, with their aromatic spices and handicrafts, reflect the nation's diverse culinary heritage. Ancient temples, each with its own unique architecture and legends, stand as silent witnesses to India's spiritual depth. The vibrant cities buzz with life, while the serene rural vistas offer a glimpse into a way of life that is both traditional and evolving. But what truly sets India apart is the warmth and hospitality of its people. Everywhere you go, you'll be greeted with smiles and open hearts, making you feel right at home. In every corner of this vast country, India's beauty reveals itself in its history, landscapes, and the enduring spirit of its people. It's a mesmerizing tapestry that captivates and inspires, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. So, pack your bags, open your heart, and get ready to experience India. A world within a world, a kaleidoscope of colors and cultures waiting to be discovered. Until next time, keep exploring.